Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm thrilled to have you join me. This is the space where motivation meets academic excellence, personal and career development, and mental health support, all tailored to help you thrive. Also sandwiched with tips on becoming a biomedical scientist in the UK. My journey as a biomedical scientist has taught me that success is about more than hard work. It's about balance, resilience, and the right mindset. On this channel, my mission is to inspire you to stay motivated, excel academically, nurture your mental health, and achieve personal and professional growth, no matter where you are in your journey. Here's what you can expect from this channel: strategies for academic success, tips on studying smarter, mastering your coursework, and achieving your goals as a student, insights into mental health, practical advice on managing stress and avoiding burnout, and building emotional resilience, career advice for aspiring biomedical scientists, navigating the UK job market, growing in your field, and finding your purpose, personal development tips, becoming the best version of yourself through goal setting, self-care, and positive habits. Whether you're a student, a fellow scientist, or someone eager to achieve more in life, this is your space to learn, grow, and stay inspired. If you're ready to take charge of your life, your education, your career, and your mental well-being, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Together, we'll explore how to excel in academics, prioritize mental health, and build a career you're proud of. Remember, success isn't just about where you're going. It's about how you get there. So let's dive in and make your goals a reality one step at a time.